Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this 21 Montauk from Boston Whaler. This is a 2024 model year. We're going to jump inside and show you guys some of the options. Hey guys, starting in the cockpit, this boat is going to be equipped with a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury. This is in the white cowling, as well as you can see the white tow bar in the back as well for all your water sports and stuff like that. One of the options you can get from the factory is this seating package in the back with these flip down seats. Super easy access getting in the back of the boat. You get this nice non-skid access, make it nice and easy to get on board. Moving into the helm, you have this reversible pilot seat. A couple different ways you can have this set up. You can have it set up as a leaning post facing back of the boat if you have lines out, stuff like that. Moving up to the helm, some of the electronics you can get from Boston Whaler from the factory. It's going to be a 9-inch Simrad multifunction display. You're going to have your fish finder, depth, chart plotter, GPS, all that, as well as this JL audio stereo from the factory with speakers. A super killer audio system for this boat, as well as your VHF Simrad. All your gauges, access switches, little glove box, keep ball, throw away your phone, wallet, keys, all that good stuff. And we have a hard top on this boat with a color matched tan underside of the hard top, the powder coated white. Super clean look for this boat from Boston Whaler. Moving towards the bow, a couple more seating options that you can get from Whaler is going to be this front bow cushion with backrests. These do come out and stow away. Super easy and convenient. You can just throw them in the console here, and you can have a couple rod holders as well. Under these cushions, you're gonna have your storage and bow access for the anchor. So huge fish locker here, self-draining, as well as your anchor locker under this front cushion as well. And the classic fishing package from Whaler includes standard and igloo cooler, but this is the upgraded Yeti cooler seat. So a little bit more space for drinks, stuff like that, and an extra seat. And everybody's favorite part, moving into the console here, is you're gonna have a head on board, as well as storage for your cockpit table. So yeah, this boat is absolutely loaded, has every option, just about everything but the kitchen sink. So if you guys want to come check it out, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers, or give me a call at 617-653-8103. Thank you.